Hi everybody. So in this problem, I drew a picture representation of what the problem is asking. So, pretend these black horizontal lines are basically scales. When the scale is horizontal, that means that the left side is equal to the right side. So, as just like a picture representation of the problem, we can say that 2 circles is equal to 2 triangles of 1 square, and 1 square is equal to 6 triangles. So we want to find out how many triangles does a circle and a square equal. Okay, so the key to solving this problem is to eliminate one shape from, or to make each balance have only 2 shapes. So we know the, basically the weight of one shape in comparison to another. So in this balance, we already have 2, so we don't need to do anything with this balance. With this balance, you see we have 3 shapes that we don't know the weight of. So our goal is to eliminate 1. Now we can either eliminate the circle, the triangle, or the square. So in order to eliminate one shape, we need to use the information we have from another scale. Now this scale, we basically don't have any information. This is the answer that we want to try to find. So we basically can only look at this scale. Because there's no circles in the scale, we can't eliminate a circle. So we can either choose to eliminate triangles or a square. Now, okay, so the problem is basically asking you how many triangles does this equal. So it's the best to eliminate a square so you can see the comparison of triangles to circles. Okay, so from this scale, we see that these 6 triangles, has the same weight as a square. Because this square is equal to this square, we can just replace these 6 triangles with this square. Okay, so if we replace the triangles on the balance, we now have these 2 circles is equal to, I'm not going to draw the scale, I'm just going to say equal to, it's basically the same thing. The original 2 triangles, right? The original 2 triangles on the scale, plus these 6 triangles, which is a replacement for this square. So another 6. Okay. So because we know that both these circles are the same weight and all these triangles are also of the same weight, what we can do is cut half of this and half of this. So if we eliminate one circle, then which is half of this side, we can also eliminate half of this side, which is 4 triangles. Okay? So from this equation, we obtain that 1 circle is equal to 4 triangles. Now, because we want to know how many triangles does 1 circle and 1 square equal, we already know that a square is equal to 6 triangles. And now we know that 1 circle is equal to 4 triangles. So all we have to do is add them up. So 1 circle is equal to these 4 triangles. 2, 3, 4. These triangles will go back to the circle, right? And then we know that 1 square is equal to 6. So these triangles are equal to the square. So we know that a circle and a square is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 triangles. So to recap, in order to solve this problem, the key is to basically draw a picture representation, and so you can see exactly what each shape equals. And then the second step is to eliminate as many unknown weights as possible. So in this case, you have 2. In this case, you have 3. So what we did was we eliminated one of the 3. So now we know we have 2, and we can compare both a circle to triangles, and we have also a square in comparison to triangles. And so if you do that, you can always solve these kind of problems.